Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, it's the Grammar Mastery Challenge, the ultimate English quiz with 40 questions to push your skills to the limit. Ready to prove yourself? Let's dive in. 1. Which sentence is grammatically correct? My friends and I went to the park. Tips: I should be last in a compound subject. 2. Choose the correct possessive form. The dog's tail. Tips: add an apostrophe plus s to make a singular noun possessive. 3. Which sentence uses the correct form of the adjective? This is the best book. Tips: best is the superlative form of good. 4. Identify the subject of the sentence. The teacher explained the lesson. Teacher. Tips: the subject performs the action in a sentence. 5. Which of these sentences is in passive voice? The project will be finished tomorrow. Tips: in passive voice, the object becomes the subject. 6. I wanted to go, it was too late. But. Tips: but shows contrast between clauses. 7. What is the comparative form of good? Better. Tips: irregular adjectives change completely in the comparative. 8. Which of the following sentences is correct? He doesn't know where she is. Tips: in indirect questions, the subject precedes the verb. 9. Which sentence is correct? She speaks English very fluently. Tips: fluently describes how she speaks. 10. What is the past participle of eat? Eaten. Tips: the past participle is used in perfect tenses. 11. Is your favorite color? What? Tips: what is for general inquiries or choices? 12. Which of the following is a conjunction? However. Tips: conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses. 13. They to the store yesterday. Went. Tips: regular verbs end in ed in the past tense. 14. Which sentence is in future tense? She will cook dinner. Tips: will indicates future actions. 15. Identify the correct adverb. He speaks slowly. Tips: adverbs modify verbs and describe actions. 16. What is the object of the sentence, I bought a book? Book. Tips: the object receives the action of the verb. 17. Apple a day keeps the doctor away. Un. Tips: use in before vowel sounds. 18th. Which of these is the correct negative form? She doesn't like pizza. Tips: the negative form of do is doesn't with the base verb. 19. Which sentence is correct? She can sing well. Tips: after can, use the base form of the verb. 20. Choose the correct sentence. I enjoy reading books in my free time. Tips: enjoy is followed by a gerund. 21. Which is the correct form of the verb? Neither the teacher nor the students are happy. Tips: use the verb form that agrees with the closest subject. 22. Which sentence is grammatically correct? She doesn't like spicy food. Tips: doesn't is used with like. 23. Choose the correct option. They were late for class. Tips: use were with they. 24. Which sentence is correct? It's time to leave. Tips: use leave after time to. 25. Choose the correct sentence. I went to the park yesterday. Tips: use the simple past for actions at a specific past time. 26. Which sentence is correct? She always studies hard for exams. Tips: hard is an adjective, hardly is an adverb. 27. Which sentence is correct? He can hardly believe the news. Tips: hardly precedes the verb. 28. Choose the correct pronoun. Everyone has to bring his or her books. Tips: everyone is singular, use his or her. 29. Which sentence is grammatically correct? She hasn't finished the report yet. Tips: use hasn't for singular subjects in the present perfect. 30. Choose the correct verb form. I wish I were there right now. Tips, use for after wish for hypothetical situations. 31. Which sentence is correct? The books are on the table. Tips, use are with plural subjects like books. 32. Which sentence is correct? He is better than I at math. Tips, better is the comparative form. 33. Which sentence is correct? She knows the man who is standing over there. Tips, use who for people. 34. Which is the correct form of the verb? They should have gone to the concert. Tips, use should have four past possibilities. 35. Choose the correct sentence. This is the easiest test. Tips, avoid most easiest. 36. Which sentence is correct? I haven't seen her in a long time. Tips, use in a long time for an indefinite period. 37. Choose the correct sentence. It's necessary that he be here on time. Tips, use the base form of the verb after that. 38. Which sentence is correct? If I were you, I would study harder. Tips, use were instead of was for hypothetical situations. 39. Which sentence is correct? He didn't explain the project very clearly. Tips, use clearly to describe explain. 40. Choose the correct word. I've been working here for 3 years. Tips, use for with periods, since with a specific time. How many did you master? Share your score in the comments, smash the like button, and subscribe for more ultimate grammar challenges. Keep striving for mastery. See you next time.